So what is a permutation and what is an arrangement? Right, so if you've seen the video on the combinations, we've talked about three people, P1, P2 and P3, and the goal was to make a team of two people. That turned out to be combination Y, selection combination, because the order of people does not matter. That is, if I select P1 first into the team and then P2, or P2 then P1, it's all the same. Right, let's imagine a situation like this, that we are making them stand in a line, right? Line of like this, two, like, or maybe let's say they're made to stand sit in front of two numbers 1 and 2, right? So how many different ways can I arrange them? That's how you'll see these words, right? How many different ways can they stand or whatever. The thing is this, if P1 is standing at number 1 and P2 is standing at number 2, this is different from P2 standing at number 1 and P1 standing at number 2, right? So here it was the same case, but now it's different case. So I can also have P1, P3, P3, P1, P2, P3, P3, P2. Altogether we are ending up with 6 different ways. If you remember, in the combinations we had got only 3 because this and this is counted as 1. This and this is counted as 1 and this is counted as same. That's why we had only 3 possibilities. But here, because the sequence also matters, we have 6. Right? That's what the arrangement is, the permutation is. Basically, the position where they're standing or sitting or whatever the things that we're talking about is also important. Then we got to use permutation for that. Right? So, the thing with the permutation is, let's do this, right? Arrangement of R different things taken from N different things. So let's say I have N things in the pool and I'm trying to arrange them R things out of N things, right, in the same R places. That is, let's say I have 5 people and I'm making them arranged in 3-member team. So 1, 2 and 3 with the ranks being given as 1 and 2 and 3. So P1 standing here, P2 standing here and P3 standing here is different from P2, P1 and P3. Right? So in this case we have to use NPR, that is n factorial by n minus r factorial. So 5p3, that's 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial, that is 2 factorial. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial is the answer for this. So that's basically 5 into 4 into 3. So permutation questions can also be done in slightly different manner than NPR method, but the answers would be the same. The approach is more or less the same. Instead of using as NPR directly, I strongly prefer that method. I'm going to discuss the questions using that. Some cases I'll show you NPR also to just show you that it can be done in the same way. But if you have a personal preference, you can definitely comment it out or maybe ask us as doubts so that we can help you with that part as well.